Well, I couldn't figure out how to turn the world's stupidest looking vacuum cleaner on, so that's a shame. But we'll figure it out. Oh, what the fuck does that do? How the fuck do I do this? Well, that's a bummer. I used that thing to suck up my soul. Well, fuck me, this is tall. Doo-doo. CL stands for cunt flicker. Bet you didn't know that. Yes. This elevator can fit even the biggest of erections. Cunt level. Or circle line, but cunt level is more entertaining. Oh boy, it's all the cleaning carts. And there's a smaller vacuum, which doesn't look as stupid. Therefore not as fun. So I think these used to be Westinghouse. Floor 29. Alright, how the fuck do we use this thing? This is obviously the hole you put your penis into for a good time. Well, I'm just gonna take this thing home with me. Alright, bye.